Hey guys, welcome back to our channel DC Teach Me How. In today's tutorial, we will be showing you how to pay your Jamaican traffic tickets online. You really want to avoid from getting a traffic ticket. That's an additional monthly expense unplanned for. Especially if you're going through financial challenges. So I encourage everyone to be extra careful and vigilant while being on the road. Alright, without further ado, let's dive in. Step 1. Go to and open your selected internet browser and enter in www.jamaicatax.gov.jm. For this tutorial I will be using my Torch browser. Step 2. At the top right-hand corner of the page, click Login. If you don't have an account, simply create one, then sign in. Step 3. Once you've logged in the website, you will notice that there are various payments that you can pay online on this page to avoid going out to join the line at the tax office. For this tutorial we will just be doing the traffic ticket payment. Step 4. Once you're on this page, you're now required to enter the traffic ticket number located at the bottom right side of your ticket and your driver's license number, otherwise known as your TRN number. Step 5. Review the information on the screen, then select Add to today's tax total, then review the information again and check the circle and box, then click Pay. Step 6. Review, then click Confirm, then enter in your payment information. Next click on Pay, and that's it. You've successfully paid your traffic ticket online, and it only took a few steps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment and share, and see you in the next one.